tayo, dapat may distansya.
Bakit?
Kasi mahirap yung daan.
Kung mahirap pala, ibalik mo tayo kung ganyan kayo.
No! Uy,
Hey guys, we're at Saikong right now, so we're gonna have our hike from here to Paktam Chong. So it says it's a 4.5 kilometer hike and an hour and a half hike with the stairs again. Oh, look at that. Python has been spotted in this area. Please take care of your children and pets. Ooh, that's scary. The start of the hike is a 300 step stairs going up, so it's not that tough, but you know, still it is tiring. But going up, we got this view right away. It's really nice. Fourth of the tallest mountain here in Hong Kong, and a lot of people climb there as well, all the way there. And we're going to that mountain over there, so we're expecting to have more stairs. So far it's a very good hike because the temperature right now is around 6 degrees. Amore. Malapit lang yan. So from here we're gonna go all the way up there. You can see the trail. It's a bit, it looks far. Wait, I can see it from the here. Yes, so we're going there. So fighter. Oh? Smile lang siya? Oh.
Yes, it's 2021 na. Ate! Bungol!
Because we're gonna wait for the others.
Hindi naman dito.
So our leader, so we're going right from the intersection.
Dito?
Dito ba? O dito ba?
Jen, dito ba?
Dito ba?
Dito ba? Dito ba?
Ay, ikaw.
Makakyat tayo, dapat may distansya. Kasi mahirap yung daan.
Kung mahirap pala, ibalik mo tayo kung ganyan kayo.
No! Uy, maganda yung adventure. Let's go! Sasama.
na!
Kasi sundan natin yung V1. Hanapin nyo yung next week. Wala na to.
Buti siya Amore. It's quite steep here.
Akala sabi ko sa inyo, warm up lang yun eh.
Oh, mga fighter. Yun.
Malayo pa talaga? What? Mas mahirap pa to sa hagdanan.
No, it's okay.
Next, water.
No! May coconut water. A little bit of water. Sugar, you need sugar.
Ito ang coconut. Ang daming biko, tsaka na sugar.
Hinira, ilang slice bag na ulo.
So here, that's where we were earlier. That's where we were earlier. Yeah. Sharp peak.
If we need to put on masks, we call out masks.
Yes.
You go.
Yes. Ethan, Amori, come on.
There's our tour guide.
Ooh.
That's where the only big
Kiss mo mag-away ni mo. Look for the ribbons, markers. Mask. I think we're almost out. Whew, let's go. Once we reach to the top, we're going to have a break because we're gonna have a quick coffee break.
Tip of the mountain.
Ano ba yan? Iniinit or ano? Nagsiselfie ng cheese. Ang galing din oh. Oh. May pa si Lola. So it was a good thing that we left early because there's already a lot of people going up right now. Everybody's so nice. I mean, it's the 1st of January. Everybody's greeting Happy New Year. And everybody's cheerful, which is good. So we're going down all the way there to that car park over there. There. So we're still here. We're still here. And we were up there earlier. There. There's a lot of people clubbing. Also here. Look at that. And she's trying her best to go down. Oh, yun.
20 minutes na ako dito.
Yeah.
I've been sitting for 20 minutes in here. You know that? Labang ano?
Labang.
Asa na sila? Hindi na ako sa ano.
Malayo ba?
I'm not gonna do it again.
Never again.
It's exciting, but for me it's too dangerous. Oh my goodness.
Well done, Lou. Ganda.
Congratulations!
Ganda.
Welcome to
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I guess that's it for our hike today, and we're gonna go back to where we went earlier. We're going back to the house of the owner of the dogs, and we're gonna grab some lunch, and that's it. I think so far that hike was that was a quick hike, 3 to 4 hours, and it wasn't that difficult. There's some parts, but not totally. So it was all good. So we went up around 3 hills, and the view was excellent. It was very nice. Very different from Hong Kong side, which is nice for a change. But we're planning to go for another hike this coming weekend, this coming Sunday. We're going to another island. I forgot which island, but anyway, I'll post it in the I'll post the video anyway once we're there, or once I'm done editing the video. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Happy New Year, and please do like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. And Happy New Year. Bye.